Hi, my name's Warren Trackman. I live in Finchley Central. We did a rear extension and open plan of our downstairs house. We didn't know what we were doing. So through word of mouth, we met Igor and his team, and amongst several other builders who we spoke to. And what struck me with Igor was straight from the beginning is that he spent a lot more time with us than any of the other builders, just giving us some advice with no obligation, free of charge. And I think that was what started on, the great working relationship that we established throughout the actual building project. No matter what happened, we could always trust Igor to give us some impartial advice to make sure that the project went very, very smoothly. So from the beginning, he was always on hand to really be our trusted advisor through the project. And I must say, him and all of these guys, they were really, really genuine and helped us a lot through a very difficult project, because when you're actually moving house and we have young kids, it's a very challenging experience. But I must say, the entire project couldn't have gone better, and we're extremely happy with the results. I would highly recommend Igor and his team to anyone who's considering doing any kind of renovation project.